What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. If you see me a little bit smiling, that's because we finally got something. So it wasn't easy to set up curl. I mean, it was easy, just follow ChatGPT's instructions. But what I mean by that, it was a little bit time consuming, probably like an hour. Setting up curl was that one was probably like 5 minutes or so because curl kind of, I believe it's already installed with regular C++. But Gumbo, that one took a minute. I had to uninstall Homebrew, then I had to reinstall it, and then I did Homebrew Doctor or Brew Doctor. I had to do all this stuff, but yeah, just following ChatGPT instructions pretty much. Also, I have it open right here because I have no idea how to use curl or Gumbo, so it created sort of an example for me, and yeah, from this example, we'll kind of just modify it. Like, for example, talking about example, we have an example website. I just replaced it with Google. So just little replacements here and there, and little modifications. Typing it out just so I can kind of get to know it, because if I just copy it and then and call it a day, like that's not really. I don't feel like I would learn. But anyways, I'm right here. So, curl code res, and then curl easy. Curl has a lot of, as you can see, they have a lot of functions, bro. Especially if you use curl opt. So there's depth to this. But yeah, I'm a complete noob to this because I've never used it before. Wow, I did not know that. I did not notice. Okay, I could have just copied it. Okay, well, too late now. I typed it out. If res is not circle, oh wait, curl. Okay. Then we're gonna print out sir. Curl easy perform failed. Curl easy str error. And then we're gonna have, I think the last one's they don't use namespace, but I do, so we're shortening it a little bit, and then return 1, and we still got a little bit more because I think this whole top half is just curl, but yeah, this is the part where Gumbo comes in, which, by the way, Gumbo, I believe it's made by Google. But what I need to find out is if they're using a new one, because if you go to the Gumbo GitHub, they're no longer using it anymore. I think it says they haven't updated it since 2016. But we'll see how it works because, I mean, HTML hasn't really changed that much. But again, we'll see. We'll see how it works. If we need a more updated one, then we'll find another one other than Gumbo or whatever Google's using now. So yeah, but as for that, let's go to Gumbo code. I'm liking the wait, Gumbo. Oh, no. I was looking at curl code. I'm liking that everything is popping up, so that means that Gumbo is like on point. But you never know. I might still get errors, but we'll find out once everything's done. Gumbo parse. What is it that we're gonna parse though? HTML content CSTR. Why is that? Oh, CSTR. So that's a function. So where do we use CSTR? So it goes on to, it writes data. So write function. It writes. This is wild, bro, because I don't know how I would have come up with this documentation, maybe. But we're here. So Gumbo destroy. So we have to clean up resources. We have to destroy, apparently. So for this one, we're gonna go ahead and go with K Gumbo options. For the other one, we're gonna go with just output. Output is part of this right here. gumbo, yeah, gumbo output. And lastly, we're gonna use curl one more time. Easy cleanup. Where's cleanup? Easy. Where's cleanup? There it is. We're gonna clean up the curl. Alright. So let's see if there's any errors. Okay, there is errors. And I misspelled it. Okay, let's see if there's any errors now. Just wait like a few seconds. Actually, I think I have a delay on this one. When I first started using Xcode, I was like, bro, why is it so slow to find errors? But I have a delay. I think it's like 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And then it'll notify you with errors. But anyways, it looks good. Let's go ahead and run it and see what it prints out. Okay. Build succeeded, but where's my... I hope it doesn't like delete any of my stuff. There's nothing here. What I think it might have done, it might have created a file. I didn't see anything about Fstream or anything like that. Does it print out a... I don't know. Does it print out anything? Is it supposed to? Maybe I should read this example. This example shows a basic structure of a program that uses libcurl to fetch HTML content and gumbo parse it. Okay, so it parsed it, but like I don't see it though. Depending on your application structure and requirements, you might encapsulate the code for fetching and parsing HTML. So should I print it, or I'm just gonna see out right here. I'm just gonna say readme because, or not readme, fix me, because I don't know if this is gonna work. So anyways, so we're gonna have output, yeah, just see out output, end of line. I don't know what is this. It's a gumbo. Yeah, let's just run it and hope for the best. Spray and pray. Okay, so we got a memory address. So that's what it is. It's a pointer. It's a memory address. Okay, gumbo parse output cleanup. Let me be a little bit more specific with ChatGPT. Let's see, adjust the code so it could, so I could see it in the console, or so it could print, so it could print to the console. Alright, ChatGPT is thinking. Let me just make sure nothing has been changed. Hold on, we'll leave it like that. Kind of visualize it, should be good. Let's see, output, wait, size, okay, cool, total size, append, total size. Ooh, we gotta do it way up here. Okay, so, ooh, yeah, oh, okay. Oh, we gotta create a whole function for that. Parse and print HTML. Oof. Oh, that's a whole function that we gotta build right here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and build this one by hand. Yeah, just to get to know it a little bit. Kind of like reading a book in a way. Okay, so we have a const string. So because we have an and, is that a pointer? I think. I get confused when it comes to pointers, because there's a pointer where you use, oh no, this is pass by reference. Pass by reference. Never mind. And then I believe that pass by reference could either be there or here. I think it does the same thing. But we're gonna do it how it shows us here. Now this function may not be built all in this video because it's a pretty big function. Gumbo output. Now this I believe is a pointer. Okay, gumbo parse. So gumbo is used in this whole function here, not in the say HTML. This looks familiar. CTR. Wait. C underscore str. Okay, this looks pretty familiar. Let's go ahead and Gumbo destroy output here. I wonder why you have to destroy output. So we're gonna have this here, then we're gonna put something in the middle. And then here, let's see, we got a for loop. It doesn't do, for whatever reason, it doesn't do automatic. Like Xcode, not Xcode, Visual Studio Code, it builds out the whole for loop for you. Not here though. Sometimes it does. I don't know why it does it sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. But I've seen it before. Xcode, it does like an automatic. Maybe, wait, hold on, let's try it out. Maybe if you wait long enough, it'll, no. Maybe if you wait like a few seconds. What if I say for loop? No. Oh, yeah, you just gotta build it out manually. Alright, so we got an int starting at 0, just your regular int. We have a root. Now, I've seen this being used before, this little arrow key right here, but I don't know what exactly it means, so. Children, length, and we're gonna, okay, so weird, wait. There's this one, and then there's the one before it. Apparently we're gonna do the one before it. Okay, now in this for loop, we're gonna have gumbo node. Wait, where's gumbo node? Oh, it's a new thing. Child, okay, static cast. Okay, we're casting to the type of gumbo node. And then, oof, we got a long one here. Okay, so the elements. Oh, that looks very similar. I was like, am I retyping element? So v element children data I. Okay, and there's a semicolon there, so I'm assuming it ends right there. Let me double check. Let me just double check that it ends right there. Data, okay, cool. Alright, we're back over here. Oh, I should have checked it for this one, but we're already here. Okay, let's go ahead and static part of that. Why is it, what's going on here? Use of undeclared root. I thought I declared it. Oh, I haven't declared root. Oh, I never declared root. Gumbo node root output. See, sometimes I don't know, like you just overlook it, but it's good to learn. Some will learn, you know, even though you're just copying it, but it makes you like a little bit more, and it makes it interactive pretty much. Type gumbo node elements. Okay, we got something else here. Alright, so there's that, I believe. Output undeclared identifier output. Oh, why do I keep doing that output? I've done it like 3 times already. I forget the T. Alright, there it is again. Why did that happen? Output. Is this something that's, yeah, I just don't know. I don't know why I do it, but it happens. Alright, so there's that. I think that's it, actually. Gumbo destroy, default options, output. Alright, let's take a look at curl. It's easy. It looks like it's pretty much done. I'm almost at the end here. Return 1. Okay, no more gumbo. We're still going to keep curl down here. And then, oh, this is where we call the function that we just made. HTML content. So content, that's what we need to work with. Content is a HTML content. That's going to be, oh, it's a string. That's what I should have printed out. Okay, so HTML content. Okay. Curl, easy, cleanup. Alright. Now, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how it's going to look. Let's just run it. Wow, okay. So, thought it was gonna be more. More like it's gonna print out every. But I guess it only printed out the first layer. So yeah, there's a lot of work to do here because it only printed out like the most outer layer, which is obviously your head and your body. Yeah. Well, now at least we know if body, we go into that body and we repeat what we just did. And we're just gonna keep climbing in so that we can eventually, I don't even know where I have it anymore, so that we can grab this and yeah, just make a simple website. The main thing here is to learn about web scraping. Learn about it, what it is, and this is super basic, but I mean later you can use it in a project if needed. That's the main goal here, just to scrape the web. Preferably in C++ because that's what I just learned. And I'm gonna end it right here. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.